Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back from another video, and I just got Mirage Fafnir today, so we're gonna be doing, we're gonna put it to the test by battling it against Berserk Moose. It should be a pretty cool battle. I really like the 2S chassis on Mirage, and you can tell this Mirage is like a really small super ring, which is pretty cool. And I will be battling Ares against it too. Ares is currently being repaired right now. The glue should be set by tomorrow, so it'll be ready for the battles. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the Okay guys, and we're at the stadium. We'll be doing first bait at 15 points. I will be using both counter and Absorb mode on Mirage. Right now it's a counter. I kind of like counter mode better because it seems to be more balanced overall. So, first battle, we're going to go over Super. Yeah, look how balanced Mirage is. It looks so good while it spins. Okay, first point goes to Mirage Fafnir. So it's 0 to 1. Yeah, 3, 2, and go. Yeah, but one thing I noticed is that 2S has actually terrible teeth. Oh my god, that's big hit. Hopefully my rubber doesn't get destroyed like Brave did. Okay, so 0-2, Mirage winning. Oh my god, it was about to burst. Yeah, but the two S chassis, its teeth are literally terrible. They're even worse than Wizards. Luckily, it's a double chassis, so it's less likely to burst. That's 0 to 3. I'm going to change it up to Absorb mode after this round. So, we're going to go. Yeah, I think Mirage is my favorite Fafnir by far. Oh my god, that was a big hit. Okay, 0 to 4. Yeah, Mirage is just really good apparently. Okay, we're switching to Absorb mode now. Also, my 2S chassis has 4 stars, if you guys can see that. So, which is good for what I'm going to be using it for. Okay, we're in Absorb mode now. Actually, I'm going to do a hand spin for this. That was probably the worst hand spin I've ever seen. That was actually terrible. Okay, let me redo that for you. Nothing has like no LAD at all. I got this. Good enough. Okay. Okay, a little bit more spin. Okay. Okay, 0 to 5. Okay, pretty decent spin steal. I'm just gonna light launch the launcher now. So. Well, that's a missed launch. That doesn't count. It's still 0 to 5. Yeah, it's crazy how small Mirage is compared to like other days. Oh my god. Nothing gives it some like crazy bounce attacks. It can just counter. Oh, okay. 1 to 5. That's pretty good. Didn't spin skill all too well that round. love the colors they picked for Mirage. It looks amazing. The stickers are like the same color as the original Beyblade ones. I bet they used on that shit. I think that was a Mirage. It's 1-6. Yeah, so you guys know, I'm going hiking tomorrow, which is when this video will come out for you guys. When I get home, the video I'm gonna record might be shorter than usual, because I'll be tired if you're gonna go. I'm gonna go hiking all day and go spelunking in some caverns. Okay, 2-6. I think counter mode actually might be better from what I'm seeing. I might just be biased because I like the look of counter mode better, but yes, that's beautiful. I can't really get a good enhancement without paying for the Okay, 3-6. Okay, let's go back to the counter mode. Yeah, I just love the US chassis. Very nice. And having 4 stars is pretty cool. I think my 2A chassis is what is it? It's like 2 stars, I think. It's pretty doo-doo, but you know, oh well. Okay, 3-7. Yeah, Mirage just looks so good. TT did a good job with it. Yeah, I should be getting my Master Bolus any day now, so I can finally get a new launcher. Oh my god, these are monster hits. Okay, that's 3-8. Mirage is winning. Oh my god. Okay, 3-9. So that contact hit was so big it actually put a giant dent in my stadium. You guys can't see it because it's a little bit too far out of the camera range. It's a giant dent now, like a cut gash in the plastic. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 4-9. Pretty good, pretty good. 3, 2, 1, go. Actually, I think that was a tie, so it's still 4-9. So what have you guys been thinking about all the background music I've been putting in the videos? I think it adds like a little nice effect for when I'm not talking. Another tie? Okay. That's pretty crazy. So still 4-9. Berserk's not gonna lose that easy, apparently. Okay, my rubber seems to be doing pretty good. Ooh, my chassis is getting scratched up. Okay, let's go into the store mode, because I want my chassis getting all scratched up. Okay. 4 to 10. A little bit of spin stealing will set us in the right direction. Yeah, the emerald color on the 2S chassis looks amazing. That wasn't this one. Sorry about that. This can get over how nice Mirage looks. Okay, 4 to 11. Yeah, it looks like Mirage is starting to struggle with some of these newer sparking bays. Wait, did I say Mirage? I meant Berserk. Okay, 4 to 12. Mirage is still winning. Yeah, the plastic seems no, I mean the rubber is holding up. Looks like it's stronger than the rubber on Breathe. In terms of durability. Big hits. Okay. 4 to 13. Mirage is winning. Okay, 4 to 14. This might end up being the last battle. Well, that was a pretty awesome way to end off this video. Okay, well, if you guys enjoy. Actually, let me say the final score. 4 to 15. Mirage did really well, actually. The rubber and plastic held up well. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, I recommend liking and subscribing for more Beyblade content to come. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. Come join my public Discord. Everybody's welcome there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.